Hi, boys and girls. You have already listened to this story, The Tortoise and the Hare. Did you know that this is a very old story? And the author wrote it to teach us a lesson. In the story, we met two characters, the tortoise and the hare. In the beginning, the hare was bragging about how fast he was. He thought he was going to win the race, so he took a little break right in the middle of the race. Should he have taken a break in the middle of the race like that? What happened while he was sleeping? Do you remember? While he was sleeping, the tortoise never gave up and kept going along. And he crossed the finish line first. Did you learn a lesson from the story? The lesson is, don't ever give up, even if something is hard. Keep trying your best, because slow and steady wins the race. If something is ever hard for you to do, should you give up? Or should you keep going like the tortoise? You should keep going. That is the lesson that we can learn from the story.